Welcome to Omexom. Here we proudly provide global expertise with local passion, building the future of New Zealand together.
At Omexom, teamwork isn't just a word. It's how we innovate, support each other and achieve excellence every day.
Our strategic vision drives impressive growth, empowering everyone to take pride in their contributions and share our success.
We're committed to a sustainable future, taking meaningful action on climate change and supporting thriving communities.
Our commitment to health, safety and well-being is at the heart of everything we do. Join us in building safer workplaces.
Join a vibrant, inclusive culture where every success is celebrated and diverse talents unite to deliver outstanding results.
We're constantly pushing boundaries with advanced technology and innovative solutions, shaping the future of engineering and sustainability.
Together we're Omexom, committed to safety, innovation, sustainability and
Teamwork!